Delilah with Suntory Flowers, and I'm presenting Sunbeam, our first yellow in the Sun Parasol Mandevillas. Gorgeous, tropical, just loaded with yellow flowers, truly unique, the next generation of breeding, awesome summer performer for your containers and baskets. And it'll, this isn't one that you're gonna vine and train to a trellis though. Like if you would really have to train it to a trellis. It naturally is like a bush, so you get this nice full habit. It gets around the base with some other annuals like our Soiree Kwai or the Sardiva scavolas, heat lovers that have the same watering needs, full sun. Just look at all these buds coming and coming. You're gonna smile all summer with Sunbeam. Look for Sunbeam at your favorite plant retailer.